Bonjour les enfants, c'est Madame Dell. Bonjour year six. So our new topic for this week is called ma journée. Okay, ma journée means my day. So during this topic, we're going to learn how to ask and say the time, but also we're going to learn about daily routines. Okay. Now, first of all, let's learn the time in French, which is l'heure, l'heure. We're going to learn how to ask for and say the time in French and be able to fix an appointment, say what time you will be doing something, what time a film will start, for example, or the train departs, and be able to talk about your daily routine later on. And also we'll learn some vocabulary related to the time.
Quelle heure est-il?
Let's start. Now, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What do you think that means? It means, what time is it? So your answer should be il est, which means it is, and then you give us a time. Pour commencer, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une montre. C'est une montre. It's a watch. C'est une horloge. C'est une horloge. It's a clock. C'est une pendule. C'est une pendule, which works for clock as well. Okay, let's learn some more vocabulary linked to time. Okay, so you would say arriver en avance, which means to arrive in advance. Very similar to English, isn't it? Arriver en retard. Arriver en retard, which means to arrive late. Arriver à l'heure. Arriver à l'heure, which is to arrive on time. Okay, quelle heure est-il?
Il est 1h.
Okay, il est 1h. So when someone asks you quelle heure est-il, what time is it, you need to start your answer with il est, it is. Okay, now it is 1 o'clock. So we do know that 1 is un. However, in that case, we need to use une because heure is feminine. Okay, so that's why you say il est 1h. Il est 1h.
Il est 2h.
Il est 2h. Number 2. Okay, and have you noticed after, at the end of the word we add an S? Why is that, do you think? The reason is because 2 is plural, is more than 1.
Il est 3h. Il est 4h. Il est 5h. Il est 6h. Il est 8h. Il est 9h. Il est 10h. Il est 11h.
Okay, let's guess. Devinez les aiguilles. Guess where the hands go.
Il est 8h.
Il est 8h. So, what do you think we're going to have? So the big hand will go on 12 and the small hand will go on 8.
Il est 4h.
The small hand will go on 4 and the big hand will go on 12.
Il est 10. Il est 10.
The small hand will go on 10 and the big hand will go on 12.
Il est 5h.
The small hand will go on 5 and the big hand will go on 12. Quelle heure est-il? Okay, let's move on.
Il est
Il est midi. What do you think that means? What do you think that means? Il est midi means it's midday. It's lunchtime.
il est minuit.
Il est minuit means it is midnight. It is midnight. Nuit means night, doesn't it? Mi means half of the night, midnight. Midi is lunchtime and minuit is midnight. Okay, this is the activity for today. I would like to stick this sheet in your book, okay, and write down in French the time. Okay, quelle heure est-il? Now, what are pictures? So some of them do have a moon and some of them do have a sun. So what does that mean? Okay, can you write the answer on the line underneath the clock? Okay, let's just do the first one together first. Okay, so the first one would be quelle heure est-il? My answer is il est une heure. Can you complete the rest? I can't wait to see your work. À la semaine prochaine, les enfants. Au revoir.